Apple just raised the bar again. At its awe-dropping event, the company unveiled the iPhone 17 series, and the star of the show is the brand new iPhone Air, Apple's thinnest phone ever at just 5.6 millimeters. Built with titanium frame, it's lighter and tougher than anything Apple's released before. The Air features a 6.5-inch ProMotion OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. Powering it all is the new A19 Pro chip alongside the N1 chip that enables next-gen wireless features like Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. Prices start at $999 for the 256GB model, and it comes in 4 colors: white, black, beige, and light blue. But the lineup doesn't stop there. Apple also introduced the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, each bringing design upgrades, faster performance, and improved camera systems. The base iPhone 17 starts at $799, with all models going up for pre-order on September 12 and shipping worldwide on September 19. This year's event definitely lived up to the hype, but the big question is, which one would you choose? The ultra-thin Air, the powerful Pro, or the massive Pro Max? Let me know your pick in the comments, and don't forget to follow for the full breakdown.